Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to another Sawal Saturday video where every Saturday I answer your questions. Rather interesting questions are coming one after another. Good job, guys. Apologies for the hair situation. यार तेल लगा के बैठी हूँ बड़े टाइम बाद. रोज मैं भूल ही जाती थी एंड प्लस 15 दिन तो लगे मुझे मेरी तेल की बॉटल को डिफ्रॉस्ट करने में क्योंकि चंडीगढ़ वेदर हैज फ्रोजन एवरीथिंग. My conditioner, my shampoo, my face wash, my oil, everything is just like stuck to the walls of their tubes not coming out. So bade time baad thaw karne ke baad I've got oil in my hair and I just realized that you really did need this piece of information in your life. But hey, you're welcome anyway. Yeah, we've got a bunch of questions. Anvesha Behera. Hi Anvesha. My question is, what would you name your boat if you have one, and what is the meaning of real magic in your opinion? What would I name my boat? I've answered this question before. It was not a very PG-13 answer, so I'm not going to use that answer again. I'll just probably name it Mostly Sane. What is the meaning of real magic? I think it's real magic when some people bring a smile on your face at just the thought of them. You know what I'm saying? कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं ना कि आपको उनसे बात करने की जरूरत नहीं है या आपको उनसे मिलने की जरूरत नहीं है. कभी कभी it's just the thought that brings a smile on your face, and I feel like that is magic. It's magic. स्वाति गुप्ता. Hello स्वाति, कैसी हैं आप? I'm कुशल. Oh, hello कुशल, कैसे हैं आप? I want to ask that how do you manage YouTube and other acting work? And what if you have to do some very important work that day? Your biggest teen fan. Thank you, Kushal. Sorry. I think, I mean, I'm much more organized right now than I was last year. I remember जब इस time पे last year हम mismatch shoot कर रहे थे. We just finished shooting mismatch. मेरी बैंड बजी पड़ी थी यार. मतलब मैं I was not organized. I had not prepared well. Although I knew कि मैं 40 दिन के लिए गायब होने वाली हूँ मुंबई से because I'm going to be shooting the show. लेकिन मेरा पहली बार था when I was doing something like that. So I was completely out of place. This time I have actually shot videos till December. तो I promise कोई Thursday miss नहीं होगा. Before we left for Chandigarh, मैंने सारे वीडियो शूट करके रखे हुए हैं. Saturdays or Tuesdays, so I can shoot from my room. It's not an issue. I have a team who's sitting in Mumbai, working for me, working with me. जैसे अभी अगर मैं ये वीडियो भेजूंगी तो रवि immediately इसको edit करके भेज देगा, upload कर देगा, you know. So I feel like it's a lot of teamwork. And I have realized last year तक मुझे लगता था कि I don't have enough time. 24 घंटे में नहीं हो सकता यार. I can't be shooting a show also and I can't be making YouTube videos also and मेरे को से लगता था, but it's actually quite possible. थोड़ा सा organize अगर हो जाओ, थोड़ी सी discipline अगर ले आओ तो बहुत आराम से हो जाता है. You have enough, now I have enough time to finish work, to shoot, to work out, to eat right, to sleep enough, to drink enough water. See? Twinsters. Hi Twinsters. Hey Praj, as you're busy shooting videos in a movie, do you think you have time to read books, and which book are you reading? You know, actually, because मैं यहाँ पे हर रोज शूट नहीं कर रही हूँ, it's not like every day I'm shooting. मैंने आते साथ शूट किया, उसके बाद I had 3 days off, then I shot again I had 2-3 days off. Now again I start shooting tomorrow. तो मैंने सोचा था कि यार 6 दिन फ्री मिल रहे हैं मेरे को मिला के, मैं 2-3 बुक्स तो उड़ा दूंगी, एक 2 छोटे वाले, कुछ ना कुछ. बट जो मैं पढ़ रही थी वही अभी तक फिनिश नहीं हुआ है because I have just got so much else happening with Mismatch and all the promotions around that, so I'm very happy to be occupied. लेकिन अभी फिलहाल तो I'm just finishing Shopaholic Ties a Knot जो मैंने बड़े महीनों पहले शुरू करी थी and I'm not finished it. So yeah, just finishing that. Krishna Thakur. Hi Krishna. Hey Prajakta, here are my questions. Oh, these questions are for Dimple. At least the first one. जिंजर कैरेट सूप और कोल्ड कॉफी. यार जिंजर कैरेट सूप तो डिम्पल ने खाया बिकॉज और कुछ खरीदने के पैसे नहीं थे उसके पास. डिड यू सी हाउ एक्सपेंसिव बार पलाडियो इज? शी कुडंट अफोर्ड ईटिंग एनीथिंग एल्स. उसका मस्त चलता तो वो एक्स्ट्रा चटनी मंगा के उतना खा लेती. Too expensive. But cold coffee she liked. I mean, I know what she does with the cold coffee. But eventually अगर आप शो आगे देखोगे तो ऋषि उसके साथ जितनी बारी काम करने आता है उसके कमरे में, उतनी बार उसके लिए कोल्ड कॉफी लेके आता है. Also, I don't know if you noticed this scene, but जब ऋषि उसको actually वो पेपर देता है, will you go on a date with me? If you see what Rohit has done there, is Rishi gives Dimple the paper. Will you go out on a date with me? And then he immediately moves the cold coffee out of her reach. कि पता नहीं है गुस्से में आके coffee फेंक दे. I don't know if you picked that moment up. It's a very cute moment. Who is the most famous person on your contact list currently? Currently, so the most famous person on my contact list is Rohit Saraf only. My Instagram is filled. Mera feed, mera explore, everything is filled with Rohit Saraf and everyone going crazy over Rishi and Rohit. So right now he's the most famous person on my contact list. Do you make everyone from your set of Mismatch and Jug Jug Jio watch your videos? Oh yeah, completely. Watch my videos से पहले I make them subscribe. कि मतलब मैं तुमको वो option ही नहीं दे रही हूँ कि you watch my videos and then decide if you want to subscribe. If I'm next to you, open your phone. जैसे अभी when we were shooting one of these days, एक scene में I had a phone in my hand. और उस phone में I opened YouTube and I don't even know whose phone that was. It was just given to me to use in the scene. But I subscribed to my channel from that phone. So whoever was the owner of that phone, you're welcome. Bushra Abnaz. Hello. Hi, my name is Afreen. Hi, Afreen. Please answer my questions. Can you please tell how to use a Sunday productively? यार अलग अलग होता है. कुछ लोगों के लिए productivity होती है कि जब आप फाइनली थोड़ा सा आराम कर लो बिकॉज मंडे टू सैटरडे बहुत भाग दौड़ हुई है तो आराम बहुत जरूरी होता है प्रोडक्टिविटी के लिए. कुछ लोग के लिए वर्कआउट होता है, कुछ लोग के लिए फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना होता है. ओवरऑल आई थिंक Sundays are a beautiful reason to just break monotony also and I think that is also productive क्योंकि मुझे लगता है आपका संडे भी अगर आपके मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे जैसा ही गुजरा तो फिर what? How are you going to feel new on a Monday? So I honestly like even if I'm working on a Sunday, I will do something on a Sunday that sort of like breaks the monotony of the whole week. जैसे अगर मैं पूरे हफ्ता वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ मैं संडे को नहीं करूंगी या फिर I'll not think about eating or like 10 times in a day on a Sunday. It's fine. Sunday is okay. When you upload your videos, can you upload in the morning rather than in the night? It's just that I always wait for your videos the whole... Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm going to try doing that this week. I promise. Bhumi Solanki. Hi, Bhumi. Arijit. Hi, Arijit. Or as Dimple would call you, Avijit. I was so crazy for this, but then too I can't see cause I don't have Netflix account. बहुत सारे लोगों के मुझे messages आए हैं, comments आए सवाल सैटरडे में कि प्रारिता where can we watch Mismatch? We don't have a Netflix account, and I understand that. I completely get it. The good news is that Netflix is actually going to be free on the 5th and 6th of December. Please लिख लो अपने calendar में mark कर लो, अपने phone में save कर लो. On the 5th and the 6th of December, which is the coming week, next Saturday, Sunday, next weekend, आज 28 है, अगला weekend, Netflix is going to be absolutely free. You don't need any credit card, debit card. You don't need to pay anything. For 2 whole days, you can stream Netflix for free. उस टाइम पे आप Netflix पे Mismatch देख सकते हो बड़ी आराम से. And Mismatch के साथ साथ there's a lot of other content that you can watch. But शुरुआत Mismatch से करना please. It's a quick show only. You will enjoy only. So don't worry. If you don't have a Netflix account, that's totally fine. This weekend देख, अगले weekend देख लेना. It's cool, bro. PSS. My question is that if you had achieved a chance to play a female character in Chak De India, which would it be and why? Yeah, the minute you say Chak De India and the minute you say female character, I think of Vidya Sharma India, who is also Zenith on Mismatched. और मुझे नहीं लगता कि anyone could have been Vidya Sharma better than Vidya. Anna Fernandez. Hi, Anna. Hi, P. Hi. Firstly, congrats on Mismatched. Thank you. Here are a few questions below. Please answer. What are your hobbies and how did you get into them? My hobbies are, I like reading. I love reading. I like writing. I mean outside of work, not the content that I write, otherwise just like writing things randomly. I don't know if power naps or not power, if naps can be called hobbies because I love them. I like traveling. How did I get into them? I think you just pick up on things that, जैसे एक book है Ikigai. If you read that book, आपको समझ आएगा कि Ikigai is basically that feeling of, you can feel your Ikigai when you're doing things that you, like the happiness it brings, the motivation it brings. I hope I'm not wrong when I'm explaining this. लेकिन वो Ikigai spark होता है when I'm doing these things and I feel like that's how I know. What was the last thing you read? Emails. Would you say you're more of an extrovert or an introvert? I think I'm an ambivert. I mean, I'm a little bit of both. I am not an all-in-all extrovert जहाँ पे मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है कि अरे चलना bro बाहर जाते हैं. I don't like meeting big groups of people, which has helped me a lot during the pandemic. I'm not a party person. Like I don't want to dress up and go out and meet, I'm not that person. But I'm also not like a all in all introvert. Like I also like meeting people. So I'm somewhere in the middle, so I'm an ambivert. What's my favorite ice cream topping? So I don't like any toppings on my ice cream, but I think on my waffles and my pancakes, I love whipped cream. Whipped cream forever. And on my coffee, whipped cream. Oh my god, I love whipped cream. What was the last TV show you binge watched? Mismatch. But I'm also watching Jane the Virgin and Two and a Half Men. All three of them are on Netflix. What type of music are you into? Yeah, I think Punjabi music is a constant vibe, but I have my days of romance. I have my days of romantic songs when I can just listen to romantic songs all day. Like I have those days also. Okay, that is all the questions we have for this week's hashtag Sawal Saturday. अगर आपका कोई सवाल हो, please put in the comment section below with the hashtag obviously सवाल Saturday और मैं अगले Saturday आंसर कर दूंगी. अगले Saturday याद रखना, Saturday and Sunday, that is 5th and 6th of December. Netflix is absolutely free. बिल्कुल पैसे भरने की जरूरत नहीं है. मम्मा पापा को बिल्कुल कन्विंस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अपना आराम से Netflix देखो. That's where you can watch Mismatched for free. ठीक है, अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to see you again on Tuesday. Until we meet, love.